Tai Chi lowers your blood pressure. Tai Chi's gentle movements have shown that they are as effective in lowering your blood pressure as the higher intensity activity of aerobic exercise. High blood pressure can damage your body in many ways. When you have high blood pressure, your arteries can be less elastic, thereby reducing the flow of blood to your body parts, especially the heart. So blood pressure above 120/80 raises your cardiovascular disease risk. And as your blood pressure increases or rises, so does this risk. The common method of lowering blood pressure is to make your heart pump more strongly and faster. You can do that by using the treadmill or doing any type of aerobic exercise. Now, Tai Chi lowers your blood pressure by doing something very different. When you do Tai Chi, you are stimulating your veins and arteries. And in doing Tai Chi movements, you create pumping actions that act directly on your blood vessels. And these movements involve the gentle, rhythmic bending and straightening motions of your limbs. The bending and unbending, the folding and unfolding actions create internal pumping actions of your body. And remember, the pump is a device used to move fluid along. So there are pumps within your body that regularize the blood pressure so it is even throughout your body, and it helps prevent the blood from moving slowly in one part of your body and fast in another part of your body. So everything smooths out when you do Tai Chi practice, and your blood vessels will thank you for it. In addition to the pumps, the breathing techniques gently massage your heart muscle. And so the breathing and pumping techniques combine to strengthen the heart and keep it toned, just like a regular massage does for ordinary muscle. So how do you massage your heart muscle with Tai Chi practice? Well, there are three mechanisms which work together to create the heart massage. One is use your diaphragm. So this is something called diaphragmatic breathing. It's sometimes called dantian breathing or belly breathing or abdominal breathing. And the diaphragm is a dome-shaped sheath of muscle that sits on top of your stomach and liver. And when the diaphragm is relaxed, it assumes a domed upward shape, like so. And when you inhale, it contracts and pushes downward. This opens up your rib cage. It decreases pressure of your lungs, and it creates a vacuum, drawing outside air in all the way down to the bottom of your lungs. And upon exhaling, the diaphragm returns to its relaxed upward dome shape, compressing the lungs and squeezing air out. And the heart benefits from this diaphragmatic breathing. The second mechanism that you use for heart massage is expanding and contracting your internal organs during inhalation and exhalation. So imagine that your belly is a balloon, and your balloon is expanding and deflating as you inhale and exhale. And so you can mimic this expansion and deflation with your arms and hands. So coordinate the opening and closing movements of the hands and arms in front of your abdomen as you exhale and inhale. So exhale, relax, sink down. Inhale, open, out, expanding, filling up like a balloon. And then when you exhale, relax, imagine the balloon is deflating, sinking. Then inhale, open, expand, fill up the balloon, and exhale, close, sink back down. The balloon deflates. Make sure that you take slow, deep, rhythmic breaths as you expand and contract your internal organs. And then the third and final mechanism that you use to create the heart massage of Tai Chi is to breathe from the back of your lungs rather than from the front of your chest. So in our culture and in daily life, when we need to get something done, we use our chest. So we kind of breathe from the front of our chest and we open up the chest, and this puts pressure on your heart and there's some tension involved there. So rather than putting all that tension up in front of your chest, why not breathe from the back of your lungs? So breathe from the back of your lungs and also from the bottom of your lungs. And when you do that, you get air into regions of your lungs that are not normally used during the day. So when you do Tai Chi, be mindful and practice breathing from the back rather than from the front of your chest. All right, so let's do some Tai Chi pumping action. So exhale, relax, and step. And 2, energize, turn in. Exhale, relax, sink down, and pump and energize the fingers up. Then exhale, relax, sink back down. And then energize, pump up. And 4, relax back down. Exhale all the way. Then 1, energize and pump using the left foot. Make your shape. And 2, shift the weight. 3, step. 4, exhale and pump. Energize the fingers up. Then relax, exhale, sink back down. 2, turn. 3, step. Exhale, relax, and energize, pump up, and make your shape. So let's do that again from the beginning. Exhale, relax, sink back down. 1, step. 2, shift the weight. 3, turn in. Exhale, relax. And now, using both feet, energize, pump, open, expand. Lift up your fingers. Then exhale, sink back down. Energize, pump up. And exhale, relax, sink back down into your feet. Then 1, using the left foot, energize, pump up, open, expand out. 2, shift the weight. 3, step. Exhale all the way, then using your left foot, energize, pump up, and make your shape. Then relax back down, exhale, sink, and step. Exhale all the way, then energize, pump up, and make your shape. So using the pumping action of the one foot, you can energize and pump up to make your shape. So what if you can improve the blood circulation in your body? What about the circulation of all the other fluids in your body? How can you improve overall circulation with Tai Chi practice? Well, follow me on Facebook and find out.